Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about dictionary data type in Python. In dictionaries, the data are stored in the format of key value pairs. So let me show with an example. So I'll create a dictionary called as D is equal to, and then I'll open the curly brackets. So you can have a doubt, even for the set data type also, we have used the curly brackets. For dictionaries also, we are using the same curly brackets. But the difference is, here the data are stored in the format of key value pairs. So I'll show you what are key value pairs. So let's say I want to store name, age and country of a person. So first I'll say name, colon, and then I'll give the name as Alex. So here what I have done is, first this is nothing but name and Alex. This is one key value pair. So here the name is called as the key and the value pair for the name is nothing but Alex. So this is one key value pair. So next I'll give a comma. So after this I can give the next key value pair. So the next key value pair is nothing but I want to give the age. So I'll say age, colon, and then I'll give the age as 31. So I'll give comma. So the third key value pair is, I'll say country, colon, and then I'll say it as London. So this is how we can create a dictionary. So here name, age, and then country. These three are nothing but these are the keys, and Alex, 31, and then London are nothing but their respective value pairs. Now I'll come and I'll print my dictionary D. So you can see I'm getting the complete dictionary in the output. So if I want to find the type of my dictionary, I'll say type of D. I'll run. You can see the output is class dict. Now, if you want to access some elements from the dictionary, previously we were using the index numbers. But here we will be using the keys and then we will try to access the element. So for example, let's say I want to access the name. So name, nothing but the value pair for name is Alex. So I want to access that. So what I'll do is I'll say D. I'll open the square brackets, nothing but I'm saying D of, and then inside that what I'll name the key. So what is the key? It is name, right? So I'll give that inside the double quotes. Now when I run, I'll get the output as the respective value pair. So for name, the value pair is nothing but Alex. So that's why I'm getting the output as Alex over here. This is how we'll be able to access the elements in the dictionary list. So if I want to access the age, I'll say age, and then I'll run. So you can say I'll get the age over here. So this is how we can access the elements. Next, we'll see how we can modify or update the values in the dictionary. So here, let's say I want to change the age from 31 to 34. So if I want to do that, what I'll do is I'll say D of age. So nothing but I'm giving the key over here and is equal to, I'll give the new value as 34. After this, I'll print my dictionary D. When I run, you can see it has got updated. So previously the age was 31. Now you can see it has got updated and then the age is 34. So this is how we can update the values using the keys and dictionaries. Next, we'll see how we can add a new key value pair to the dictionary. So here, let me say, I want to add a new key value pair. That's nothing but email of the particular person. So I'll say D of the new key value pair is nothing but I'm going to give the name of the key as email, and then I'm going to say equal to, and inside the quotations, I'll say alex@gmail.com. So this is going to be the email. So after this, I'm just printing my dictionary. I'll run. In the output, you can see a new key value pair has got added to my dictionary. So this is how we can add a new key value pair to the dictionary. Next, we'll see how we can remove a key value pair from the dictionary. So there are two ways. The first way is the pop method. So I'll say the dictionary name. So D dot pop, and then I can give whatever key I want to pop. So let's say if I want to pop age, okay. So I'll say D dot pop age, and then I'm printing the dictionary. So when I run, you can see the age is actually not present inside the dictionary. So this is how we can try to remove using the pop method. So also if you print d dot pop, what will happen is whatever element, whatever value is getting popped out, that we'll get in the output. So when I run, you can see 34 we are getting in the output. Whatever we are removing that element, that particular value we will get in the output as well as we are printing. The second method is we'll be using the del. So again, I'll try to remove the same age. So since I have declared it over here, so I'll again try to remove the age. So del d of age, I'll give, and then I'll run. So here you can see the output. So age is again not present in my dictionary D. So this is how we can delete a key value pair from the dictionary. So now I'll remove this. Now we will see some dictionary methods. So what are the dictionary methods? Are nothing but these are some of the methods which are used to get all the keys or all the values from a particular dictionary. So I'll say d dot keys. So what this keys method will do is it will give all the keys in the output. So these are the keys inside my dictionary. So name, age and country are the keys in my dictionary. So that I'll get that as the output. Similarly, if you want to find out the values, so you can see values, and then if I run, I'll get all the values. So Alex 31 and then London. So these are the values which are there in my dictionary. Next, we also have one more method called as items. So what this items method will do is it will try to return all the key value pairs as a tuple over here. So you can see I'm getting all the key value pairs as a small tuple over here. This is what the items method will do. These are some of the important dictionary methods which you need to know. Dictionary is also one of the important data type and it's used in many applications. Practice question. Create a dictionary student with the following information. So we have name John, age 20 and major computer science. So totally we have 3 key value pairs and then we need to do the following operations. So first one is we need to update, then print all the keys and then add a new key value pair and then remove the key major. So we need to do each and every operation and then print the result. Solution. So first we'll go and create the dictionary called as student and then I'll open the curly brackets. So I am totally having 3 key value pairs over here. So I'll paste this over here. So this is my dictionary. So the first question is I need to update the student's age to 21. So the age is 20 which is given over here. So I want to update it. So what I'll do is I'll say student of the key is nothing but age is equal to 21. So I'll update it and then I am going to print the dictionary student. I'll run. So you can see in the output it has got updated to 21 over here. The second question is I need to print all the keys in the dictionary. So if I want to print all the keys in the dictionary, what I'll say? I'll say students dot keys over here. So this keys method will print all the keys in my dictionary. So I'm getting the output name, age and major. So this is the output for this question. The third question is add a new key value pair for grade A. So we need to add a new key value pair. I'll say the dictionary name student of the new key name is grade, right? So I'll say grade is equal to I'll give it as A and then after this I'm going to print my student dictionary. So I'll just print it. Now you can see a new key value pair has got added to the dictionary. So the last question is remove the key major. So I want to remove it. So what I can do is I'll say student dot pop and then I'll try to remove the key major. So nothing but I'm just trying to remove the key value pair. So after that I'm printing it. So when I execute it, the output, in the output you can see the major key value pair is not present. So it has got deleted from the dictionary. So this is the solution to this question.